Did you know a Nazi officer created his own death sentence without even knowing it? In 1943, Jürgen Stroop was put in charge of destroying the Warsaw Ghetto, but instead of just doing his terrible job, he decided to make a fancy photo album about it. Stroop had photographers follow him around as he burned down every building and killed 56,000 Jewish people. He put all these horrible pictures in a beautiful leather album with detailed captions describing exactly what he did. He even signed it himself, like he was proud of his work. The album showed executions, deportations, and that famous heartbreaking photo of a little boy with his hands up. Stroop thought this album would make him look like a hero to other Nazis. But when the war ended, prosecutors found his photo album. They used his own pictures and his own handwritten descriptions to prove he was a war criminal. The same album he created to celebrate his actions became the evidence that got him executed. He literally documented his way to the electric chair.